All right, prime time. Here's the video to find the winner for Hawkins' winner take all. We'll check the time here. Is February 25th at 9:42 p.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. And we have February 25th at 9:42 p.m. Here's the list of our 12 entries. We're going to randomize your names after the final roll. Whoever's on top is the winner. So we're going to need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Good luck. Here we go. And it is Christopher Barrett. Spot 6 is your winner. So, Christopher, please get with... I'm sorry, it's John. Get with John to collect your prizes. There's our verification code, our timestamp, once again, February 25th at 9:42 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.